guys, this is Kayla, Kay the Enchantress. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel for another video. So today's video is just going to be about this amazing unit that I'm wearing. This is UNICE's 5x5 HD closure, and I'm going to show you guys how I laid and slayed her because she looks good. I wasn't going to do a video on this, but when I posted pictures on Instagram, which, you know, people were asking about the unit and asking, you know, what I did to make it look the way that I did. So I figured I'd just pop a video in here, seeing as how I have not been posting videos like I said I was, like I knew that I should have been.
Getting a little bummed out by how slow everything's been going, subscriber-wise.
And I can't let myself get into that headspace because then I'm doing it for other people and I'm not doing it for me, and that's not why I started the channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Y'all already know what time it is. It's voiceover time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and place this wig over my head like so. It's pretty self-explanatory, honestly. And then just trying to see what I wanted to do. Didn't know if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part, but yeah. Just so y'all know, I'm not gonna be talking too much in this one because it's kind of self-explanatory. But yeah, I will come back in and out when I feel the need to explain what I'm doing with my life. So everybody knows that when you want your hair to look good, you need to make sure that it's laying down right. So all you're gonna see me doing is using my wax stick and just going in sections and waxing. Is waxing the way I want to say that? That's the way we're gonna say it. And just making sure to melt the hair into place, because if it's not flat, then it's looking wiggy, and we don't want it to look wiggy because the more wiggy it looks, the less natural it looks. And that's not how we're trying to look. It's too far into the wig game now to just be placing a wig on your head and calling it a day. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get it to be super, super smooth, super, super flat on the top, and make it look good. If you're trying to go glueless like I am in this install, I don't know where the video went or the footage went that had me in there doing this, but I went ahead and I slid the wig back off, and I just put some makeup on the wig cap where the part was going to be and in the front of it, so that it would kind of match my skin tone a little bit better. I can't talk today, Jesus Christ. But just so that it would match my skin tone a little bit better, because I did get darker, and yeah, the wig caps are a little too light for me now. But I'm gonna shut up and let y'all continue to watch the magic happen. So does anybody else have a very hard time on occasions just doing baby hairs? Like whether I'm doing my own baby hairs or my baby hairs on my wig, sometimes it's because of the method that I use. But when I can't even fathom how long it took me, almost 30 to 40 minutes just to get it right. Like I cut out so much because nobody wants to sit here and watch me do it and just continue to redo it. Like it was just too much. So I feel like I just really needed to say that, because y'all are getting to see the end result, so y'all don't have to see me struggle. But it was a struggle. Like it was bad. Leave a black heart down below if y'all have a hard time sometimes too, because this is ridiculous. And if y'all have methods that always work, definitely comment that below too. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.